Okay, we're back. Let's take a look at this puzzled penguin question. Well, it says that he has 14 fewer than David. Well, if he has less than David, David should not have a small number. That part doesn't make sense. The real comparison bar should look like this. Carlos and Daniel. Well, I know Carlos came first, but Carlos has fewer than David. David should be down here. Or sorry, Carlos should be down here. Carlos has 19 fish. And he has 14 fewer than David. Well, I don't know how many David has right now then. So that's why I would want to do 19 plus 14. 9 plus 4 is 13. 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 3. So David has 33 fish. Because Carlos has less. But in the answer, what did he do wrong? This is my answer. You know you can write any answer you want. It's addition, not subtraction, because David has more than Carlos. So that number should be larger than, not smaller, like that 5. Okay, so you can check your thinking there. And remember, your answers could look different than mine. And that's great. We always want a variety of solutions, different solutions. Or I should say, not different solutions, just like different kind of answers and thinking for this part. We will always have this. David has 33 fish, but your thinking down here can be totally different. Now, I'm going to show you just one problem on this one, and then you're going to solve the other 3 by yourself. But it says, solve comparison problems with misleading language. Ooh. Solve each problem on a separate piece of paper. You can, but you can just do it on Notability. You have extra space. You could do like on a second page if you want to. Unknown smaller amount. Daniel has 23 fish. He has 15 more than Carlos. How many fish does Carlos have? Well, I'm just going to go to like my second page here. Well, it says Daniel has 23. He has 15 more than Carlos. I have to think, okay, well, who has more? Daniel or Carlos? It says, well, he has more than Carlos. Okay, so that means Daniel should have the biggest number. Daniel has 23, 15 more than Carlos. How many does Carlos have? Don't know, but it is 15 more. It's subtraction. So 23 minus 15. I know that 3 minus 5 I can't do. Take away 1 10, so 2 tens I have 1 10, and bring the 10 over. 3 turns into 13 ones. 13 minus 5 is 8, and 1 minus 1 is nothing. So, does that make sense? Daniel has 23 fish. He has 15 more than Carlos. Yeah, Carlos has 8 fish. Okay, I'm going to read you these other 3 problems, and then you get to solve them. Unknown larger amount. Gina ran 12 laps. She ran 8 fewer laps than Bettina. How many laps did Bettina run? So Gina ran 12. She ran 8 fewer than Bettina. So who did more? Gina or Bettina? She ran 8. Okay. 4. Unknown smaller amount. Bettina ran 20 laps. She ran 8 more than Gina. How many laps did Gina run? So who did more? Bettina or Gina? Bettina ran 20. She ran 8 more than Gina. Okay. Sarah, so this is number 5, unknown larger amount. Sarah read 18 books this year. She read 13 fewer than Lupe. How many books did Lupe read this year? So I got to think, who read more? Sarah read 18. She read 13 fewer than Lupe. Okay. All right. So do number 3, 4, and 5, and then we'll come back and check.